Presenting to you Lacasa Smart Door Lock LC733. This model is a premium 15 inches smart lock with a 5-bolt mortise. With just a touch, your unique fingerprint grants you access. Or if you prefer, enter your secret passcode. Your personalized combination unlocks the door. For an effortless entry, simply swipe your RFID card. Access granted in an instant. And for the traditionalists, the trusty key still holds its place. Security meets convenience in every option. Unlock the future with large variety of smart door locks available. Inquire now.
Lacasa Automation, India's fastest growing and most trusted smart home automation company.